This video I want to make a product review of this dip stand that I just bought today, or just arrived today. I got this from Amazon. It's from XMark Fitness. XMark is known to make some very high quality fitness equipment. It didn't cost too much, just a little bit over $100, maybe around $130 or something like that. But I think it's well worth the money. Very solidly built, and when I received it, it was easy to put together. And I'm going to go over the reasons of why I decided to order this when I already had something like this to do dips with. I actually own 4 of these, and I really do recommend this product. It's called the rack. But there's certain advantages to this dip stand that the rack cannot, that it cannot fulfill. So that's why I ended up getting one of these dip stands. Alright, so basically the main difference that I would say is the height difference. You see like how high this is? I think they said it's 53 inches high. And you see how short this is. Alright, this was very important for me, not necessarily because I'm a tall person, but a tall person that tries to do dips on this rack right here, even if they bend their knees are going to get very close to the ground because they're so tall. But when you do it on here, you're not going to have that problem. Okay. But the main reason why I wanted to get this dip stand right here was because I wanted to load on weight with the weight belt, and then not have the weight hit the floor while I'm performing dips. Because when I'm doing the dips, when I don't use any weights, it's just too many reps. I don't want to have to do like 50 reps or 60 reps or however the case may be. I want to be able to strap on some weight, 45 pounds, 90 pounds, or however many pounds, and really challenge the dip exercise. Okay, so this will allow me to go full range all the way down and all the way back up without having the weight drag onto the ground. So I'm going to demonstrate it really quickly. So I got a 45-pound plate. I got this dip belt right here. I'll put the dip belt on, and I'll show you the major difference between this rack and this dip stand here. So here I got this weight that's hanging below me here. Alright, so if I'm trying to do dips here, I cannot go full range because this weight is going to hit the floor. It's going to hit the floor right here. And it's just right here, it's just kind of, it's not full range. Okay, I could try to adjust the weight to try to have it come higher up, but it is a hassle. And I just don't like the idea of this weight touching the ground as I'm trying to perform a dip. But with this one, I'm not going to have that problem. You'll see that easily that this weight will not touch the ground at all. So I'm here, full range all the way down, back up, down, up, down, up. Absolutely no problems. The weight doesn't even come close to touching the ground. So that is very important to me because I want to start putting on more weight than just 45 pounds, 90 pounds, or even more. So you see right here, as I come up, I can have my legs fully extended and it still won't even touch the ground. You see? I don't even have to bend my knees. The full range. And in addition, there's different angles. I can come over here, and this will have a closer dip range. This is a closer grip, and then I can extend it, come out, and then this is a farther grip. Okay, you can adjust it by coming midway to hit it at different angles. Okay, this one right here doesn't have that ability. It's just a straight angle. No inside, no outside. This comes from out to in. So you have that versatility. Okay? It's a great piece of equipment, and this is one of the things that I really wanted to kind of complete my facility. I have everything that I need, and this is something that I really wanted, and I finally got it. Well worth the money. I'm going to show you up close how it looks. So here, it's from XMark Fitness. This is the bottom. This is how it looks to the top. And you compare the height difference of this one to the rack. The rack is a great training tool, but specifically for the dip exercise, this dip machine is definitely much more higher quality. Okay, worth the money. The rack is running for at least $100, and this is just a little bit over $100. So I recommend to get both products. I'm not going to say that this is better than this completely, because there's just so many different things that you could do with this one that you cannot do with this. But obviously, there's other exercises you could do, you know, like leg raises and things like that. Okay, there's nothing obstructing. Okay? The problem with this one is if you're standing here, you can't just go forward like that. You're going to have to turn around and raise up your legs the other way. Which is not a big deal, you know, but this is my product review. Highly recommended. XMark Fitness Dip Machine.